It's kind of early in the morning. It's like 8 a.m. But I've been really excited to try this new recipe. I've got about 5 pounds of chicken legs, woohoo, which means time to get creative. So I wanted to kind of try to make kind of like some, regular barbecue chicken. But as you can see, this probably isn't enough barbecue for a whole 5 pounds of chicken. So I'm going to kind of make my own barbecue sauce. Well, not really make my own, but kind of like extend this into a larger amount to put on all my chicken. So I'm hoping this will turn out well. I've got some really great and creative and interesting ideas, especially to get some really good flavor in there. So I'm actually about to go ahead and make my sauce now, so that way I can kind of let it simmer for a little bit and really extract all those flavors before I add my chicken in. So I just wanted to show you all, because if this is delicious, then I take full credit for it. So let's go ahead and get that sauce made. Okay, y'all, so my sauce has been simmering for hours now. It's been at least maybe 5 hours or so, and it tastes delicious. Like, honestly, I wish that you all could taste this through the camera, but you're just gonna have to settle for looking at how yummy and delicious it is. So I'm about to go ahead and put my chicken in. I let it broil for a little bit so that I can make sure that it's gonna be all the way cooked after I let it sit in the slow cooker for a few hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the oven and go ahead and put it in the slow cooker. Take a look. Okay, so I am so very pleased with my homemade barbecue sauce recipe, and I am sure that this chicken is gonna taste delicious. Hubby is actually on his way home right now, so I'm getting ready to go ahead and make him a plate, and then I guess I'll see what he thinks when he gets here. But me personally, I tasted that barbecue and I am just blown away. Like, I don't even want to just put it on chicken. I want to put it on french fries, on a potato, anything. I don't even care. Anything that you can eat barbecue sauce on, I think I want to put that sauce on, because that homemade sauce is delicious. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my recipe for it. My outfit, because you know I'm ready for bed. I'm ready to eat, go to bed. So but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and that you do use it yourself and that it works out for you. Make sure that if you do, comment below and let me know how it went. Let me know what people thought, if people liked it. Let me know what things you might have added or subtracted from the recipe. So don't forget to also subscribe to my channel for other recipes and other fun food, family, and faith posts. And also don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and being an awesome audience. Remember, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.